Dear friends, engineers, consultant engineers, student of computer science and others, once again into VK Jain sir ki MEP classes. In this particular module, I will be discussing electronic LV services provision in high-rise buildings. Many current projects which are coming into high-rise building version require a lot of electronic services, which is the subject of this series of electronic services. Dear friends, there are a numerous electronic based low voltage services which are needed to be provided in current projects. Uh, the, to illustrate, the first one is intelligent lighting and proximity control, including dimming systems, DALI based. Second is electronic automatic private branch exchange and VO voice over IP. This EAPVX is the current version of previous telephone exchanges. Third, LAN local area networks, WAN wide area networks, MAN metropolitan area network. Then we have Wi-Fi, WiMAX, Japan, and other wireless systems including Bluetooth. Bluetooth is the service which under 30 meters of area you can connect automatically if you have the software for that. Then MTV system, master antenna system. Sixth is structured computer and telephone cabling. Sixth is video conferencing systems and near conferencing systems. Next, seventh, CCTV and surveillance systems with IP cameras and NVR or VMS storage facility. Eighth, intelligent and addressable fire detection and alarm systems. Next is building management systems, energy management systems, SCADA for various utilities, DDC and other automatic control systems. Next is 10th, audiovisual multimedia and presentation and amusement systems provided in large campuses including healthcare industry. Then reprographic and digital scanning and microfilming systems. These are needed for reproducing your audiovisual systems. Then next is digital display systems and signages. The 13th electronic service is known as structured cabling system with category 6 or 6A or fiber backbone. We need to refer several standards and codes of India, of which prime code is National Building Code of 2016, getting converted into 2025 version, which is yet to come. And in this part 8 is the building services, which discusses this. Next is Indian Standard 2189, fire alarm and life safety as far as fire alarm portion is concerned. Fire alarm and fire safety system. Then Indian standard 1646 for fire safety. Then TIA/EIA 568 structured cabling. Next is IEC or International Standard Organization for BMS and controls. Friends, we will discuss one by one all electronic services which are desired. First one is wired data and network systems. They utilize LAN, local area network. Uh, this local area network is provided inside a floor or building, and they are taken, that means wired through UTP category 6 or category 6A or optical fiber system, and used for office IT network, CCTV and access control, BMS and IBMS, VoIP phones. In this, we have the key elements such as L2 or L3 category, patch panels, main distribution frame or integrated distribution frame rooms, and then a structured cabling system. The next network category is MAN, Metro Metropolitan Area Network. This is covering multiple buildings in a campus or maybe a part of city through optical fiber, and used for campus network for government and utility buildings. Third, inter-tower connectivity. There may be several multi-story buildings, tower buildings. Tower buildings are buildings which are more than 20 meter in height. 20 floor height wise. The next category is WAN, WAN, wide area network. Wide area network maybe intercity or on national or global basis, as is our internet system. Media, maybe leased lines, MPLS or internet. This system is provided for cloud connectivity. Cloud connectivity means a storage space which is shared by user after paying some certain amount, and this cloud storage may be at very far away distance. This is used for corporate headquarters or branch offices, joining all of them. Used for remote monitoring and control. Friends, now we take up wireless networking systems. The prime category is Wi-Fi as per IEEE 802.11. The coverage of Wi-Fi is inside a building and maximum up to 100 meters. It may utilize frequencies of 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz and 6 GHz. Used for internet access, mobile devices, IoT and smart devices. IoT means Internet of Things. Next category is WiMAX as per IEEE 802.16. And this WiMAX may cover up to 30 kilometer in a city level, the long range. It is used for IPS, last mile connectivity. This last mile connectivity means when you enter into heart of the city, the the last mile takes a lot of time to enter into. So it is known as last mile, and it is used for this. WiMAX is for last mile connectivity, giving a wider detail. Used for backup links, used for remote areas. This is less common today, replaced by LTE oblique 5G in many cases. LTE is mostly 4G services. Friends, we are discussing now short range wireless system. The prime of them is Bluetooth and range may be 1 to 30 meter. Low power short range used for smart lighting control through remote, used for beacons and proximity sensors. Beacons are the uh, light towers in sea area. Then it is used for access control. It is also used for smart devices and wearables. The variants of Bluetooth are Bluetooth Classic and Bluetooth Low Energy BLE. And the other wireless technologies which may be used are Zigbee for smart lighting, BMS, Z-Wave for home automation, and LoRa, LoRa, oblique LoRaWAN for long range low power sensors. Friends, now we are discussing proximity or occupancy control systems. It's the automatic switching or dimming of lights when people are not present, are present, approaching or leaving an area. The as per our building code, national building code, has provided that in case any room which is of more than 30 square meter and facing daylight, uh, the rows of lighting may be dimmed as per illumination level outside. Now, it also provides that in some areas you can put off the light when there is nobody present. So for this, common sensor types are PIR, passive infrared, detects body heat movement, Vespar corridor and cabins. Second one is microwave or radar, detects motion via radio frequency waves, good for large areas, basements. Ultrasonic, sound waves based presence detection. Sensitive, detects minor movement. Dual technology sensors may be utilizing PIR plus microwave. More reliable for high-rise use. Next, proximity, BLE or RFID advanced systems, phone wedge-based detection. Friends, MATV, Master Antenna Television System, was a system which I was supposed to design for All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Bilaspur in Himachal. It is a centralized TV signal reception and distribution system that receives terrestrial or satellite TV signal at one location and distribute them to multiple apartments, hotel rooms, or office through a common network. This eliminates the need of individual dish antennas for each flat. Very useful system. MATV's ability to centralize content distribution, maintain good quality and minimize infrastructure clutter makes it a convenient and efficient choice for delivering television entertainment to diverse audiences, including providing a hassle-free solution for residential complexes, hotels, hospitals, and other multi-unit setups. Moreover, its cost-effectiveness nature and reduced maintenance requirement make it appealing choice for property owners and managers. In hotels, MATV systems in hotel offer guests access to a variety of channels without the need of external antennas. In apartment building, MATV is commonly used in apartment complexes to provide television service to multiple units. In hospital and healthcare facilities, MATV ensures patients and visitors can access entertainment and information through TV in various rooms. Educational institution. MATV facilitates the distribution of educational content to different classroom and common areas. Next, offices and commercial building. MATV provides TV access in break rooms, waiting areas and meeting rooms. An IP-based central electronic private automatic branch exchange is a modern software-driven centralized communication system that routes internal and external voice calls over IP networks, VoIP using SIP standards. It offers advanced features like video calling, mobile integration, IVR, and remote connectivity. Friends, HMIS, that is Health Management Information System, is compulsorily to be provided in healthcare industries where the size is of more than at least 500 beds. This HIMS is a data system for collecting, analyzing, and using health information to improve health services used by governments like India Ministry of Health, Family Welfare for monitoring programs and by individual hospitals for managing hospital patient care administration and data-driven decisions, often featuring digital records, real-time workflows, and analytical dashboards. The key functions include tracking service delivery of material, child health, disease control, infrastructure, human resources, and general reports for policy planning and performance evaluation. Friends, the nurses call system is compulsorily to be provided in hospital where the patient cannot move and want to call help through a nurse. A nurse call system is a crucial communication network in healthcare facilities allowing patient to alert staff for assistance via buttons or cards, triggering visual or audible alerts at nurse stations, and directing staff to the patient's location for quick response, improving safety and efficiency through wired or wireless technology. And modern systems often integrate with digital tools for vital workflow. Uh, I have shown the comparison of different type of nurses call systems. The conventional systems are wired and are provided in a small clinic. Addressable systems may be wired or through a bus provided in hospitals. Wireless system of RF or Wi-Fi are retrofitted in old healthcare industries. IP-based may be LAN or PoE small hospitals, and voice-enabled intercom system in ICU and ER. Friends, now I am discussing intelligent lighting system, of which the main components are smart luminaire that may be dimmable LED fixtures, may be Dali operated. Dali is the Philips India's system, and this works on 0 to 10 volts and PWM compatible. The sensors may be occupancy or proximity sensor and daylight lux sensors. Controllers, room controllers or lighting control modules. Second, relay and dimming actuators. Next component is control network through DALI, KNX, BACnet, Zigbee, PoE, power over Ethernet, and Wi-Fi. The next component is BMS or lighting software for scheduling purpose, for scene control, for energy monitoring, for manual override. Friends, now I am providing details on communication and IT systems. IT means Internet Technology Systems. The first category is telecom and data. It uses structured cabling in the form of LAN or FO. It is server. It utilizes server rooms, MDF and IDF, and Wi-Fi access points. The second system is distributed antenna systems, DAS. This utilizes mobile signal enhancement and basement and lift coverage. Third category of communication is video door phones, VDP, are provided in apartments and office intercom room, visitor management integrations. Friends, now we are discussing life safety and fire protection systems. Those are most critical for any campus and not our choice. They are to be provided as per National Building Code and other uh, other systems. First one is fire detection and alarm system. Uses smoke detectors, addressable type, heat and multiple sensor detectors, manual call points, hooters, sounders, flashers, and fire alarm control panel. interfaces with lifts, HVAC and access control systems. Second, emergency communication public address voice evacuation system. This is this also having fireman intercom and telephone system. I'll tell you what is voice evacuation system. In case of a established fire in a large complex having several stories, a voice evacuation system guides the user to how to get out safely and without encountering smoke. And for this, uh, when the fire brigade people come, a fire intercom system is provided so that they can attach their system through that and communicate with each other for better firefighting purposes. The next is emergency lighting and exit signage, battery backed or centralized system. These systems are compulsorily to be provided uh, in the escape route, how for guidance of the persons how to get out, and they must be battery backed so that you must have seen the exit signs and they are battery backed or they are provided with not more than 5 watt. They are provided in escape route. They are provided for escape route and illumination and for staircase and refuge area lighting. Now, refuge area is the area which is provided in the external facade of the building so that people come out and take rescue in such area uh, so that because they have free access to oxygen there. And then 12th item is electrical power and backup related electronic systems. Friends, this diagram made by me provides a typical local area networking for an office building showing the ISDN connection, ISDN connection here from local office. When we take a lease line from MTNL, that MTNL in Delhi through router, this is the router, then firewall, this is the firewall, and this gets connected to uh, intruder detection system as well. And this fire brigade uh, is connected to mail server and web servers in of the building's system. Through this firewall, we come to core switch. This core switch is a central switch in a building having several floors, and from this core switch, the access uh, is provided through either wireless access point. This is the wireless access point or wired system. The wireless access point is used using wireless and user devices on all the floors. This system gets connected to network management software, security switch, and several servers through core switch. Friends, uh, this schematic diagram shows passive components in a LAN area network. This is the computer and it is connected through information outlet system, faceplate, surface mount box. You have a fire enclosure light interface unit, LIU, then access switch and jack panel, patch panel. This entire is fire gates connected to fiber cable coming from core switch, and from there it distributes and fetches the information up to the computer. Electronic services include building management system, BMS or IBMS. BMS is building management system is provided for individual services like fire, lift, and so many other services. And when they are integrated through IBMS, Integrated Building Management System. This is brain of the high-rise building networking. It utilizes HVAC control, integrating air handling units, chillers, and waves, VAV system. This particular BMS system comes built in with HVAC supplier system. Then we need lighting control and scheduling. We need energy management system, EMS, fire system monitoring, status only, water level and pump monitoring, lift status monitoring, and SCADA for all services. SCADA is supervisory system, which is a bigger IBMS system and provided mostly for utility purposes. So let me tell you, then Delhi metro system is interconnected through a SCADA system in Sasri Bhavan near Sahedra, and all information over several metro station is integrated through this SCADA, which provides the system, the metro system, a train in a metro system to move or not to move, and when it is used for underground system, then it fetches information prior to the metro train goes inside the tunnel. Friends, this schematic diagram shows a network switch and various gadgets connected to it. This may be security control, server, operator station, various cameras, and card readers, PIR, HVAC controllers, and redundant database servers and camera servers. Friends, this schematic provides you detail of what are the items which are provided in a service suite for this low voltage electronic systems. Uh, we'll come, we'll discuss one by one. Floor IDF or ELV rack, then floor IDF ELV rack once again. This ELV rack is getting connecting server racks, core, software, CCTV, NVR or VMS system, and access control panel, and they are further connected to network switch, CCTV switch, and access panel, and all these systems getting connected, data voice outlet, IP cameras, and sensors of different type, and entire system is connected to Wi-Fi access point. Let me tell you, starting from the bottom, IoT, Internet of Things, provides different type of sensors, and our BMS building management systems also provide different type of sensors, and they are providing information to Wi-Fi access point, and through Wi-Fi access point uh, provides data or voice outlets, IP cameras and POL, card reader and controllers, and they are giving information to access a CCTV switch or network switch, and then we come to floor IDF or ELV rack, and this goes further to, this is the floor distribution system, and other floors are connected as I have already shown. Now friends, let me thank for your watching this very carefully, noting all the points, and we'll meet in another uh, another lecture by me in other channel. So thanks.